Today we'll understand a critical system involving a business which is related to real estate, and how we are making the automation flow from the intake form of Wix to PandaDoc and to Pipedrive. So let's start. This is the intake form. Submit a collection by Brookdale Financials. Let me start by business category name as Anandita Roy. Let's make it one. Gender information, my name, type of date, commercial date, and let it be $10,000. Last date of payment is 2nd April. Judgment yes, XYZ, and I will just upload a file which will be, say, this one. This is just the intake form for the clients of Brookdale Financials, where the user can submit requested, like required information about dates they have taken on the business, and I will just click on my email. I don't have any email from PandaDoc right now, and the Zapier that will run will be this one, where we can see that any Wix form that has been filled up, which matches the required logic, will be formatted and passed on to PandaDoc to create a document, which will be sent again to this email ID that is mentioned over here. So let's submit this. Thank you. We received your submission, and as soon as we do this, we'll see that this Zap will run. If we go to Zap runs, we see that this is successful, and we will just get an email here from PandaDoc. Where will it go? It should not be going to all mails, but still I'm checking that it should be hitting my inbox anytime soon. Gmail, we got the mail from here. And if it's the engagement from us, the same with this one. If we open this, this is got from here, and if we open this in the new incognito window, we'll see a PandaDoc form which is sent by Brookdale Financials to me. I'll start filling up the form fast. Signature, this is Anandita Roy, and let me sign into this once. There will be a lot of things to be filled. Business address is B3 SKG, and there is individual contact email is 123565899. These are must. Ronald Choi at the gmail.com. I'll be filling this up fast. I can upload types of documents that are required. I will upload the same thing for now, just for context. Copies. Maybe I fill up some invoices. these with invoices, and maybe I provide a purchase order and deliver a receipt like this. I'll select one more like online application receipt. This is purchase receipt. And we can upload more proofs of attempts made. Like maybe I'll upload the same one here. This is a very data rich form in PandaDoc because this is a form that will help my client do some legal stuff. These things are pre-filled, as you can see. This we don't need, this we don't need. If you can notice that if we click the here like IRS EIN verification letter, then submitting that form becomes mandatory. If I click here, then this one becomes mandatory. If I don't click this, this is not required in this form. And I will do one more sign, and let's see next. Oh, okay. So it's required check and attachment. We have to check this one because these are mandatory. I will upload the same stuff over here. Let's upload maybe some image. And we can click finish. As soon as we click finish, what happens is there is another form in Zapier that we have. Another set of Zapier we have where the second step is followed once the PandaDoc is filled up. Once the PandaDoc is filled up, the automation goes through these steps where once the PandaDoc is filled up, the data is sorted, copies are made, and the automation decides like which way to go so that Pipedrive receives the data from PandaDoc without any data going missed. Let me see the Pipedrive right now. If I type in the name of Anindita1507 at gmail.com. If I type in the email, I cannot see anything. But as soon as I will submit this form, like when I click this form and finish all the activities in this form, and the form shows that this is done from PandaDoc side, the Zapier runs, the Zapier will run, and it shows that engagement document has been completed by all participants as soon as this is done. If we go to Pipedrive and search, we'll see that we have a deal here. We see a deal in the name of the client stored here in Pipedrive that is done by automation. On all the details we have filled up, as you can see, is marked over here. Even the attachments are marked over here like this. all the files and everything. So the process is thus made that anyone fills up the intake form, that person gets a custom quotation in PandaDoc, and whatever proofs and details and documents that person submits on PandaDoc, that is then onboarded into the Pipedrive CRM as a new deal for my client.